Hey guys, so we are getting ready together today. I have to take my car later for maintenance, so that's at 4. So we gotta leave at 3:30, and it's 1:25 right now. So I have plenty of time, but I don't want to do something like too much. So I'm just gonna like do something light, just make myself look put together when I'm not. I'm like a hot mess all the time. So I'm gonna start with my professional primer. Last week I posted a vlog, which I thought it was pointless, but I still posted it because I wanted to put something out there for you guys. I had more footage, but I had it on my phone, and for some reason when I was importing like my footage into my computer, it was like saying, I don't know, it was just saying that it was incorrect, or I couldn't like import because of like the file, the way the files were set up. But I always shoot with my phone. Like some of the videos did import, but not the top gold ones, which is the ones that I wanted to put because they were so funny. So now first I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics CC cream. I want to get the new one. I saw they came out with a new one like that's oil free. This one is not oil free, so it does give you like that little luminous skin, which I don't mind because I put powder over it, but I want to try the other one, the new one they came out with. I haven't really done my makeup like full on glam since the last time I filmed a video, which was for the NYX Cosmetics makeup tutorial that I did. That was the last time I did my makeup, like full on foundation and eye makeup and everything, the whole deal. Use the Cover FX matte setting powder, this one, to set my entire face. I'm gonna get this shade right here, this middle shade, and pop it in the crease. Then I'm just gonna take this gold shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Now I'm just gonna give my eyelashes a quick curl. The Anastasia contour kit, and I'm gonna use the shade Havana. I don't want to look too contour. I want to look more bronzed. The next I'm gonna take the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter and just pop this right here. So I'm gonna do my mascara now that I have it here. You don't have to add blush, but I am gonna add just a little bit today. I'm not gonna do much. I'm gonna do this one and this one mixed together, and I'm just gonna put this right between the highlight and the bronzer. It doesn't matter if they overlap. The last step is just to do a lip, whatever lip you want to do. I have Seduction and Exotic. So this is Seduction and this is Exotic. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And that's it. We are done with the face. Super quick, super easy. You went from 0 to 100 really quick. You can really do this every single day if you guys like to do your makeup every single day, but you don't want to go all out. Like, this is super simple to do. Like, and you look put together. It looks like you spent lots of time on your makeup, which you really didn't. And if you guys, you can guys totally apply some falsies on your makeup and make it look like even more dramatic, which falsies make a huge difference in your makeup. I like my natural eyelashes the way they are, and I recently just got a lash lift, so they are lifted a little bit, not all the way, so I do like to give them another curl to lift them even more. and they look extra long and extra lifted and extra curly, and I really do love them. So yeah, this is how I go from looking like a hot mess to looking like I have my life together in 10 minutes or less. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.